All right, folks, let's do a house tour of one of the real estate guy's latest listings at 189 Carneros here in Henderson, Nevada, 89002. This property is priced at $509,000, and it's a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2-car garage. Small neighborhood. It's called Ladera. Right over there, you got one entrance and one exit. And then right here you have the park, and you have another park. This is more like a dog area up here for dogs, but small community. There's about maybe 100 homes here. And these parks are gonna cost you about 70 bucks for a monthly HOA. All right, so here's the front. We got some desert landscaping. Home was built in 2005. So back there, you're gonna have the original AC unit. All right. Artificial turf in the front, a little bit of artificial turf in the back as we get back there in a minute. 2-car garage, about 510 square feet, epoxy flooring, which always makes garages pop, makes them look a lot better, a lot cleaner. Extra storage cabinets for storage. This water heater is newer, I'd say within the past 5 years. You Steelers fans, we're gonna have Troy Polamalu comes with the house. And right here would be the garage entrance into the home, but we won't enter there. We will enter through the front door right here. Screen door. As we enter, you're gonna have 18 by 18 square tile. Immediately to the left, we're gonna have the first bedroom, okay? This bedroom is 10 by 10. All bedrooms are gonna have a ceiling fan. And I don't know if you noticed, but the garage had a ceiling fan as well. So, all right, straight out to the first bedroom. To the left, we have a full bath. All right, sink, toilet, bath, shower. You're gonna notice in this house, there's a lot of wallpaper. The previous owner had a thing for wallpaper. So, nice banister that shoots up to the second floor. We got the real estate guy pointing at you. And then right here to the left is the den. This could be an office, den, whatever you want to do with it, but it's 10 by 10, okay? We'll go upstairs in a minute. Right here is the living room. This living room is 17 by 13 with some carpet in the middle, tile surrounding, ceiling fan. You can have a gas fireplace with tile backsplash, okay? These ceilings, I'd say, are about at least 9 feet. Can't tell on camera, but they're at least 9 feet. They're pretty high. So, kitchen, you got a breakfast nook, granite countertops. All appliances are included with this property. They're all General Electric appliances. You're gonna have some stone backsplash right here. Upgraded cabinets. I like the glass right here because it really opens up the kitchen. It does. All right, so right here you have the garage entrance, laundry room. These appliances are also staying. These are General Electric as well. And then you got the dining room, which is 12 by 10, okay? So dining room's 12 by 10, and then you got the exit to the backyard right here, all right? Let me, So here's the backyard, desert landscaping. Right here, you got a nice putting green for any of you golfers out there. We have a retaining wall in the back, okay? You can tell we're a little bit higher on the lot from the homes behind us. So speaking of lots, this home, the lot size is 5,663 square feet. All right, so let's enter. And so we have the dining room again, kitchen. Let's shoot through the kitchen. Got our open house flyers. As a matter of fact, let's do a little bit of, let's get a little bit of market stats. Let me pause these guys real quick. Market stats for 89002. You're gonna see median list price is about $524,000. Price per square foot's about $260. I don't know if you can see that. We have about 78 homes in this zip code of 89002. Okay. So a few stats right there. Median days on market are about 35. Average days on market are up to 112. Okay. But that depends on a number of things, you know, price, condition of the property, competition, etc. So, all right, let's get that going. And so that's it. Let's head up to the second floor. All right. Got a nice banister that shoots all the way to the top. Okay. Brown wall. The owner had a thing for brown. So home be pretty nice colors for the winter time. Bassinet all the way up. Not the bassinet, but the banister. All right, left we have the second bedroom, which is also 10 by 10. Okay, ceiling fan. Now these two bedrooms up here, 2 of 3 are gonna share a bathroom. They have a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you got the entrance here, full bath, double sink, dual vanity, and then this door shoots to the other room. You're gonna see we're gonna have some more wallpaper here. This is the second bedroom, which is also, or actually the third, which is also 10 by 10 ceiling fan. This window shoots out to the, I'd say that's the east. And then we're back in the hallway right here. It's pretty high. I'd say we're at least 20 feet. And then here's the primary bedroom, 17 by 13 for the primary bedroom. Ceiling fan, windows open this room up a lot of natural sunlight. Some more wallpaper in the primary bedroom or the primary bath, and you got the primary closet with attached shelving. Okay, we have the dual vanity, separate tub, shower, stand-up shower with stone backsplash. Got the bathroom right here. Window looking to the south. Yeah, so there you have it. There's the primary bathroom right there. So that's it, folks. 189 Carneros, Henderson, Nevada, priced at $509,000. Square footage of this home is 2,074 square feet. Lot size is 5,663 square feet lot. All right, and as you can tell, this is a Saturday afternoon. It's about 12:30 right now. Very quiet neighborhood. So if you're looking to buy or sell a home here in Henderson, Nevada, in the Las Vegas area, we would definitely love to hear about it. We'd love to have a conversation with you, see what your goals are, see how we can help, see if we're a good fit to work together, okay? So you can reach us, or you can reach me at 702-906-3414. And like, comment, let me know what you think of the house. Let me know what you think of the property. Let me know what you think of Las Vegas, Henderson. If you have any questions about the market, what are your thoughts? So hope all is well and hope to hear from you soon. Take care.